Okay, so I'm gonna take matters into my own hands. Yes, I have done some research, but we're gonna make cough medicine. Okay, so first off, I have honey, bay leaves. I think I'm gonna use the fresh bay leaves, and I'm gonna boil these. I have ginger roots, okay, and I'm going to, or ginger root, what did I say that? Whatever, it's ginger, okay, and I'm going to shred it, and I'm gonna put it in like half a cup to a cup of water with the bay leaves, okay? Hear me out. Then when that's done, I'm gonna pour it in this, and I'm gonna pour the rest in honey. So I'm probably gonna do half a cup. Then I'm gonna pour the rest with honey. And I pour all of it in there. I don't just, like, I don't drain it, whatever. Then I'm gonna squeeze the lemon into it, and I put the cinnamon sticks in it first. Are you ready? Let's do it. And I should tell you that it is more expensive than cough medicine. Okay? If you are on a budget, you can actually go and get Zarbee's. It's almost the same thing. They don't put all that in it, but I want to make mine because we're all sick in this house. I saw a lady that put rainwater, okay? But, dude, I feel like if it boils it, you know, it'll be fine. So I put like a 3/4 of a cup water, okay? Oopsies. I'm going to put these bay leaves in the pot. Okay, so I'm shredding it. Yay. You're gonna put all of this in the water, okay? Everything you shave off. It smells so freaking. I feel like these are supposed to float in the medicine itself, and I'm supposed to cook these, so we're gonna cook these in the bay leaves together. Your pot should look like this. I'm a little shaky. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but I've watched it like 10,000 times, so I just have anxiety. It smells like Christmas and cough medicine. I'm not gonna lie. Ginger does smell like cough medicine. That's what you smell or taste in cough medicine. So obviously I cut them up a little bit, but this is nice. Little concoction. We're going to turn it off boil and put it to the side. Okay, when it starts boiling. And I also forgot about garlic. So I got 2 of these here because I think it's gonna need it. I have garlic as well. So the garlic and the honey are supposed to be raw. So sealed. We're just gonna do like 3 or 4 because I don't want it to smell like straight up garlic. Just gonna do 3 apiece. Okay. We're gonna do the honey. It's local Florida wine, unfiltered, baby. This is my favorite wine. Hold on a second. We're gonna add this because I just want to. Because it says to, and it's just for that flavor, baby. That flavor. Give it that flavor. Because this is what makes that Robitussin, I'm telling you, smell like that. Okay, here we go. Sorry. And maybe I should have got 2. Or maybe I'm going to have to put it all in one. Maybe I can put it all in one. Let's do it like that. Yeah, hold on a second. I ain't gonna fucking know. Yeah, we're just gonna do it all in one, okay? Because this is almost done. So we're gonna. I thought I was gonna need 2, but I probably not. Ooh. Next, this is for taste. Okay? This is for taste. Damn. Got seeds in it. Hold on. You don't want to get a lemon seed in their throat because then a lemon tree will grow. Oh shit. In their stomach. Okay? Little dog. We're gonna put it right back in there. And I know y'all are waiting for this. We're gonna put it in now. Hold on a second. What, baby? Hold on.
I need scissors.
Okay. Making a TikTok. I'm making your medicine. Want some medicine? You want some medicine? Here. I sound like an old grandma. Here, drink some of this, just a teaspoon, and you'll feel so much better. Dude, let's do a taste test, because it looks phenomenal. Look, the honey, and that was like the perfect combination. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? I'll drink this like it's a fucking drink. Dude, this is crazy right now. I just made fucking medicine. And I almost forgot the best part. You don't need very many. Just one. Cinnamon stick. Cheers.